Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unlock your suspended Microsoft account. Alright, let's begin. The first thing you want to do is try and sign in. Now, when you may want to tap on next, you'll see that your account has been suspended. Now, mine has not been suspended, so I'm going to literally just log in, that's fine. But what you're going to do is you are to go over to the support link that they offer you, and this is what it looks like. So, if you have been blocked, this is the message you'll get, and then you can redirect to aka.ms/compliance lock, and you'll actually get over to this page here. Now, this will give you a little bit of an insight as to why your account has been locked. Now, what will happen is you have to enter in a mobile number that is connected to that locked account, and from there, you will then have to verify that it is you. Now, once you've done so, you will have access to your account. Now what you want to do is go over now within your account, and you want to go and change your password. This will just make sure that your account is more secure because it may have been accessed by somebody else from another location. And of course, you want to protect your personal data, so the best thing is to change your password. And you can do that right over here in your accounts page up on the top right hand side. So that's basically how you can unlock your suspended Microsoft account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.